right, let's get a look at what's happening with this forecast. Send it over now to Jay and Matt.
All right, I can't wait to enjoy that first Frosty delivered by a bank container.
Yeah.
All over the place.
That's going to be problematic.
No
I can tell you that right now.
Wow.
Matt, everybody has robots.
Yeah.
And so I was talking to you yesterday, and I said, I know it's kind of on short notice, but it'd be really cool if by tomorrow you could build a weather robot.
Right, and if I look tired today, it's because I was up all night building one. So I actually built one. Where are you, Cirrus? Cirrus? There you are, buddy. Wow, I know.
He's so
Amazing.
shiny.
And he's got the moon.
High five. He doesn't know. Hey, stay out of there.
He's like doing the worm and
Yeah,
stuff.
he does all sorts of things. He doesn't do much. He just dances. Well, let me try. I've been trying a few codes. Cirrus, get me an umbrella. Oh, wow, it worked. That's awesome. Cirrus, get me some sunglasses. Those are not sunglasses.
No,
Get
that's
me
a brush.
Some sunglasses, Cirrus. That's
That's not
we're still
sunglasses.
working on that, Jay.
Yeah.
Do you have a weather
By
word?
tomorrow, we'll get that fixed.
Okay, we'll get it.
Okay.
It's halfway there.
Jetsons.
That segment, I'm sorry. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
What are you two doing?
I don't know.
Just do the weather word.
Inside joke. Jetsons. You remember the show where everything was handled by a robot? Yeah. So
Was
that's
Velma in the Jetsons, or is that?
No,
Dude.
Velma was Scooby-Doo.
No, Velma was on
Scooby-Doo.
Scooby-Doo. They would have gotten
that's
away with it if it
I
weren't
got
for you
it.
pesky
Janice,
kids.
me, Janice.
There you go.
and okay, got
Janice,
it. Anyway,
yeah.
here's the weather. Look, it's
His boy Elroy.
even
His wife
sunny
Judy.
anymore. The sun's gone down. We've spent so long on that segment. Jay and I were practicing that segment for about 2 minutes out ahead of this. So, you know, a lot of plays that you see at Playhouse Square, obviously they rehearse a lot longer than that. I hope you understand that. Here are your low temperatures this morning. Boy, it was certainly on the chilly side. Some of our sensors here are picking up numbers that are down near freezing. Chardon, 29 degrees. These were some of the official numbers from the Weather Service. Look at this. Brimfield, 27 degrees. Auburn checking in at 28. Fairlawn, 28. Bainbridge, Sagamore Hills, Mentor, I'll get out of the way so you can see Ashtabula at 29 degrees. One of the surprises with this, at least meteorologically, is that we got that cold all the way up towards the lakeshore. Geneva on the lake, 30 degrees. Madison checking in at 30. Even Hudson was down to 30 degrees. A cold start. What a difference. 40-degree temperature swing for some of you this afternoon. That's what dry air does. We mentioned it heats up, cools down quickly. Well, we heated up quickly. We're in the 70s down towards the south. Pretty decent lake breeze as you get up towards the lakeshore. We're in the 60s. It's comfortable either way you put it. Wind is coming out of the north as you get up towards the lake breeze area. But for the rest of us, it's out of the south, and that's where the changes arrive. So the high pressure responsible for the cold air is now off towards the Long Island area. We get the return flow around that with the south wind, tapping in with the low pressure that's on its way, and you see all that warming air that's coming in. As we look at the satellite, got the black background on there so you can see the clouds a little bit better, stalled out boundary down to the south. This is our next chance of rain. I was telling Jay, we need to squeak out every drop of rain from this system tomorrow and Saturday because it looks like we go dry beyond this for a while, and we certainly don't want to do that this time of year. So this is how it kind of evolves over the next couple days. Kind of looks like a Jetsons spaceship there as it kind of swirls up. That is not the Jetsons. It's anyway, close enough. Copyright. I'm told the copyright. We can't be doing that. That's great. Close enough. All right, National Design Board Hour by Hour forecast. Let's time out your rain as we get into your Friday. Notice we start the day with lots of sunshine around. I don't really agree with these shower chances early in the day. We'll likely have lots of sunshine, some clouds around. It'll be warm and a little bit more humid tomorrow as well. We're way up into the 70s to near 80 degrees. And then we could pop maybe a shower or thunderstorm during the afternoon. The bulk of the rain is going to hold off till after sunset. And this is when the models are all agreeing we get a good soaking Friday night into Saturday morning. Again, we need every drop of this. Saturday morning waking up to a little bit of rain, and then it's chilly on the backside of this. We're in the 60s for highs in terms of rainfall amounts. Models pretty consistent in that. They were showing that yesterday, upwards of an inch. We'll talk more about this because Jay and I took so long in the next half hour. Union Home Mortgage 7-day forecast. There's your forecast through the weekend. Marathon still looks great. And then we have sunshine, and we really start to warm up next week. We could be talking mid-80s by the end of the week, and not a lot of rain in the forecast, guys.
Okay, Matt, can we just skip to the good part, which is the 80s? That is the light at the end of the tunnel.
That's it.
Matt, thank you so much.